my first, my last, my everything, and the answer to all my dreams. My sun, my moon, my guiding star, my kind of wonderful. That's what you are. I know there's only one like you. There's no way they could have made two. Your love forevermore. Your love forevermore. You're the first, you're the last, my everything. If I can love you, can love you till the day I die. You're my reality. I'm living a dream. You're the first, you're the last, my everything.
All right, look at those dance moves. Let us start with Elaine.
Oh, you know, all right. So this is what happened a while ago now. Brian, I don't think that you're a disco person, right? And that was just made very clear by what you just did a while ago. No, so you sing well, but disco is just not your genre. And I didn't believe that your first, last, second, or third, I didn't believe anything about what you said. Because you do not connect, you didn't connect with the form of music. And I think that has been the disconnect with most people tonight, where they just really haven't just grasped what disco is and just the whole energy of it. Two of the young ladies did well, but I think everybody else is lacking significantly in it. So it's a no for me tonight.
Anthony.
Well, Barry White, you ain't. Can I tell you? Did you even rehearse that? Did you invest enough interest or attention or self-respect or care to deliver something even reasonably mediocre? That was pathetic.
Conroy.
What do you say after that? I mean, like, look here. I
It was
mean,
pathetic.
you try hard, but it never worked.
Yeah.
The song was weird, and your interpretation of it was weird as well. But for all the contestants, it really requires some research. And I know it's kind of challenging, but you have to go back and watch videos and kind of look and get the feel of the era, and then the song, and, you know, so it's a lot.
YouTube.
Yeah, yes, I'm agreeing with you.
Exactly.
I'm
We're
agreeing with you. We're agreeing
But
with
you
you.
don't have to be so angry
Yeah.
about
No,
it.
but this is, come on.
Yes.
I
So-
know,
At this level of the
understand.
competition, this is what they're doing.
I understand, but
Right.
we need to
Don't
just
you
take
feel
time.
affronted?
Oh.
No.
But-
All right,
Yes.
so, hey, all right.
There's room for
Okay.
improvement.
Yeah,
All
there
right.
is.
A lot
So,
of
but you
room.
did your thing. You did your thing.
Which-
So,
yeah,
the rest
no,
song
you
come
tried.
again. I hope they can't vote on off everybody. So somebody must come back. So I hope it's you.
Yeah.
Thank you, judges.